In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up customer feedback surveys in HubSpot CRM. Gathering feedback from your customers is a crucial step in understanding their needs and improving your services. With HubSpot CRM, you can easily create and manage feedback surveys to gather valuable insights. Let's dive in and set up your first survey. To begin, you'll want to navigate to your HubSpot homepage. Once you're there, look towards the left sidebar. You'll notice a variety of options, but for now, focus on the one labeled More. Click on it. This section is designed to house additional tools and features that aren't immediately visible in your main dashboard. After clicking on More, a new menu will appear. From this expanded list, you'll want to select Service. The Service section in HubSpot CRM is dedicated to all things related to customer support and experience, making it the perfect place to manage customer feedback. Now that you're in the Service section, look for the option labeled Feedback Surveys. Click on it. This is where you'll set up your survey. HubSpot offers a variety of templates and options for creating surveys that suit your needs, whether you're looking for a simple customer satisfaction survey or a more detailed questionnaire. Once you're in the Feedback Survey section, you'll see options to create new surveys. Consider what type of feedback you're aiming to collect. Are you looking to understand customer satisfaction, product feedback, or maybe the effectiveness of your customer support team? Identifying your goal will help you choose the right survey template. Remember, it's essential to keep your survey clear and concise. Craft questions that are direct and easy for your customers to understand. This makes it more likely that they'll complete the survey, providing you with more reliable data. When setting up your survey, think about the format that will best suit your audience. You might opt for multiple choice questions, open-ended responses, or a mix of both. HubSpot allows you to customize your survey to fit your specific objectives. Once your survey is ready, you can choose how to distribute it. You might send it via email, include it in a follow-up communication, or even integrate it into your website. HubSpot provides flexible distribution options to ensure you reach your audience effectively. Finally, don't forget to analyze the feedback you receive. HubSpot CRM offers tools to help you review survey results, identify trends, and gain insights that can inform your business strategies. And there you have it, a complete guide to setting up customer feedback surveys in HubSpot CRM. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to collecting valuable insights that can enhance your customer relationships and drive your business forward. Thanks for watching, and happy surveying!